Now, as you may have noticed that the reload isn't correctly aligned with the magazine, so it would feel like this. So in order to correct this, press Ctrl. After this, press Workspace, look into the camera, and find the view model, and make a copy of this with Ctrl-C. Once you've inserted the model, paste it into the workspace. As you can see here, I have mine. The first things that you're going to want to do is to ensure it is aligned. So set the orientation of the view model to 0. The next thing you're going to want to do is to look for joint, find the motor 60 attachment, and to also set the orientation to 0, -90, and 0. What you will now want to do is to find an equivalent view model, and so in this case I have used the Mark 18. So adjust the model so that they are perfectly aligned with each arm. And the next thing you're going to want to do is to select your gun model and look for decoy mag inside of the view model. If you find decoy bullet and decoy mag, set the transparency to 0. In order to realign the magazine, what you want to do is to look for decoy mag, rotate, and adjust it so that it is correctly aligned. What you'll be given next is a code linked in the description. Paste it into your command bar. In this case, it's a good idea to also rename your view model. So in this case, I'll name it APC view model. And locate the directory as you can see here. And before you do this, you will see 2 motor 60s inside of decoy mag. So what you'll need to do is to look for the one that's connected to the decoy bullet and put that inside of decoy bullet so that they're now separate. Hit enter on the command bar, open up your output, and you should see a pasted code inside of here. Using this, you will go into your imported gun tool, so find APC and look for ACS animations. And through here, you'll find setup view model magazine. Inside of here, you will find your code that you have just received from the output, and you should put it under C1 of decoyweld.C1. Paste it in, and it should be good to go. There are also instances where your decoy bullet will also be misaligned, so the next thing that you're going to also do is to look for the same directory, but for the decoy bullet. So in this case, you will do decoy bullets, press enter, and you should find the new updated code here. So copy that, look into ACS animations, and paste it into the C1 here. Now once you updated your module scripts, look for APC or your imported model, equip it, and try to reload. There are some cases where you need to make more adjustments, so in this case you can just close your game and make the necessary adjustments by using move, holding decoy mag and bullet together, and just readjusting it. Now once you've made the necessary adjustments, just do the same thing as you have done before, and grab the decoy mag motor 60. You'll not need to do this for the bullets as they have previously been aligned.